Good morning guys, we're still here at the Australian camp dito sa Annapurna region in northern Nepal. And maaga kaming gumising today para masaksihan ang golden hour. Specifically para makita ang tuktok ng Machapuchare or the Fishtail Mountain. Ito pala yung itsura ng room na pinag-stayan namin guys. So binigyan kami ng dalawang room kasi tatlo kami at tig-isa kami ni Tony dito. Sobrang lamig dito guys, as in. And in fact, tatlong layer ako ng damit. At itong blanket na ito, napakakapal na nito pero still napapasok pa kami ng lamig. Ito naman yung loob ng CR. Meron din siyang bidet guys. But the problem is, sobrang lamig ng tubig. Pag ginamit mo yung bidet na yun, mapapatalon ka sa upuan mo. Hindi naman gumagana yung heater right now. Nag-chip na yung lower lip ko dahil sa sobrang lamig guys. Karing, gumising ka na dyan. Gising ka na. Ayan, gising na sila. It's 6:27 a.m. and lumalabas na paunti-unti ang liwanag ng araw. Naliliwanagan na ang kabundukan. Malapit nang mag-golden hour. Tahimik pa at I think tulog pa ang karamihan ng mga nagsistay dito sa Australian Camp Village and parang kami pa lang ang gising. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kaseryoso ang lamig dito kagabi. Ito ang damo natin na yelo na ngayon. Yelo siya guys. Nag-yelo kagabi. What's that mountain?
This one.
Yeah.
And the first one is the Shidel. That one is Annapurna South.
Annapurna South. And then this one,
Hinsuli.
Hinsuli.
And this is Annapurna Range.
Yeah.
On the side here.
Yes. And then of course, this is the
Fishtail Mountain.
Machapuchare. Without snow.
Yeah.
Because of the
without
climate
the
change. Yeah. Ayan na siya guys. That's the Annapurna South Mountain. Then over there to the right, ito yung Fishtail or yung Machapuchare na sinasabi nila kind of weird, strange because it's December but there's no snow. Ayan, gising na rin yung ibang tourists and in-enjoy na namin ang golden hour. Ito talaga yung hinintay namin dito guys, kaya kami nag-trek dito. Morning!
Vlog takeover. Ito po si JR. Kasama ng mga nag-aabang din ng... Babe, ang ganda!
Okay, I think we've taken enough photos of the Machapuchare or the Fishtail Mountain as well as the Annapurna South Mountain. And magbe-breakfast lang kami saglit before we head down to the Dampus Village, another village here at the Annapurna Range, before kami umuwi ng Pokhara this afternoon. Hindi ko na na-video yung food guys, pero ayan yung kinain ko. Chicken biryani. Curry. Mixed curry. At sila naman nag-try sila ng mga Tibetan food. Nag-start na rin mag-hike yung ibang teams. And proceed na sila sa kanilang next base camp or next camp.
Focus ka lang. 3, 2, 1. Ripang reels.
We're just resting our feet for a while. Ito ang view guys from where I am sitting down.
Grabe.
Video,
Alam mo,
video.
ang taba-taba na talaga niya. Hindi na nagkasya ang kanyang North Face na jacket.
Fake yan, real?
Parang mukhang,
Fake or real?
mukhang fake yan eh. Kasi tignan mo. Sa sobrang katabaan ni JR, ayan, hindi na magkasya talaga yung jacket niya.
Bumili lang ako ng candy on our way down dito sa trail. Ito ang itsura ng mga local Nepali tindahan. Sa Dampus area, sa Dampus village kami. They have chocolates. They have fruit drinks. Meron ding, feeling ko ito is mama. Not sure if this is mama. And this is my favorite. Kick kick. Sounds familiar, no? No. Kick it like that.
May original din.
Malapit na yata kami guys. Ayun na yung syudad.
Upo ka, parang kaparas nila.
Mo mga iglas ang
Tapos video sis. Video na to.
Picture lang.
Picture lang.
Charming.
Mataba kasi pag